Arithmetic operators in textual coding. To use arithmetic operators in textual coding in AI Connect, create a project. In it, create an activity. Then, follow the given steps to do textual coding. Here, we use the condition where you have 13 bamboo loops and your friend have 15 bamboo loops. You both try to test your mathematical skills and perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using textual coding. Step 1. Create a variable u and assign value 13. Then print the number of bamboo loops you have after converting it into integer. Step 2. In the same, add one more variable, your underscore friend, and assign value 15. Then print the number after converting it into integer. Step 3. Now create a variable add, then let's perform addition and print the result. Output. Now let's run and check the result of addition. Step 4. Next, let's make more variables for subtract, multiply, and divide. Attach respective math block to perform operation and print results. Output.